Hi, my name's Mark. Here on our little farm, we have a lot of chickens and birds and different types of animals. We even have a pet deer, old babe. But sometimes we need to handle a chicken and we don't have an extra pen or cage available. So I'll show you a quick way to handle one without getting hurt, and you can leave them this way pretty good. Wow. Let me show you. Okay, I got her handy dandy dip net here. There's a pretty mean one just walked around the corner here if he'll cooperate with us. Hey buddy, come here a minute. I got a trick for you. Yeah, he says, I don't know about your tricks. Alright, okay, we got one here. Okay. What are you doing? What you doing? Okay. Easy with the sharp spurs. Quit. Okay. Alright, we got us a very energetic, really sharp spurred, quit guy. Oh, God, stop. Alright, quit. Okay. This guy is full of energy. He's got really sharp spurs. I think he's already got blood off me. Now, all we got to do is take this very energetic chicken, take his head, tuck it under his wing like that. This don't hurt him. And then we'll turn him upside down on his back, get him comfortable, and we'll leave him alone. Okay, that's one down. Let's go catch another one. There's a hen. Oh, okay. All right, she's gonna be a little easier. She's full of energy though. Be still. Be still. Oh, I know. I'm trying to kill you, right? I know. Oh. Well, okay. We just took her head under there. There we go. And we just tuck her head under her wing. And one more. And here's the other one over here. Look. You think he's dead. He's been laying there all this time. He's been laying there for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. There's the other one. Okay, I'll show you a little magic trick. Watch this. Abracadabra. Open sesame. And I got a bird. How about you? You through playing? Let's go. Look at there. Pretty cool, huh?